Okay. Okay, so the next part of it is we will just see how to implement the style. So here style binding is very simple. It is nothing but you will just use the style tag. That's all. So how do we use this particular style tag? I'll just let us take one division is there. Within the division, I'm just using one particular paragraph. So in this content is I'll just write Angular is an open source application development framework. Okay, so now I just wanted this particular one to have some style. So use a square bracket, write style dot color. So write style dot color is equal to. So here one thing you remember is write style dot color. If you are specifying the color directly here in HTML style using style dot color, just use a double quote. Within this you use a single quote and write the color. Okay. Okay, so you can see here it is that is very light in color. I'll just change this. So you can just see this Angular is open source application. So you can see this is what exactly you will be using for the style. So just style dot color is equal to maroon if you're giving directly the value. Okay, but if you are trying to use a property, so that is where you are declaring here. So if you are declaring here public my style. Okay, my style is equal to some color. My style, which color will give some dark color? Green. So I just give public my style is equal to green. So now if you are going to implement this, then what you can just do is you can just give within this I'll have use H3. Here I will tell it as mobile and web apps. So within this I can just use style dot color is equal to within that double quotes my style. So this case somewhere I have done some mistake.
In my style.
What is that?
Double curly braces.
Yes, MYSTLE.
Ma'am, if we are assuming the assumption the volume
Employee component or TS is not saved. Employee component or TS.
ma'am, if we are assigning the value green to my style, then why we are giving in HTML style dot color?
Save this file, ma'am. It's not saved.
Yeah, somebody was asking some question.
Ma'am, if we are assigning the value green in the TS component to public my style, a variable name, then in HTML, why we are giving the style.color attributes?
Yeah, I'll come to it. Okay, so your query is why instead of using this directly, why I'm using the style dot color. That
We
is what
not
is your
use
query.
simply style.
So this is where exactly we are using the style binding. The style binding, how exactly it works is, if you are, you are either you can just go for class or you can go for style. So here only the intention why exactly we are using this is the style binding part of it. When you are just giving a normal value dynamically within this, you can just give like this. But if you are using within the properties, that is using a properties, then you need to use a style part of it. If you are using a style color, otherwise you can just, if you are giving like this, you need to declare the property there. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
My query was in
I
line
got it.
number.
Why you should use style?
No, ma'am. In line number 12, line number 20, we use style.color and directly we have given the color name.
Yes.
But in TS, we have assigned the value green and we have named the variable my style. And in line
Yes.
number 21, we have assigned the value style.color, the
Yes.
property.
Yes.
Then why we use style.color if we are assigning the value green before
to-
at TS file? Why should not we use style directly?
Because when you are using a style tag, you need to specify which property of the style you want to apply that particular property. So now here what I have given is my style is equal to green. Okay, so when I am using the style property, I need to specify which property, that is for which property you are trying to apply this my style. See, my style is nothing but it is a property of this particular class employee component. When you're using style, you are not specifying the attribute to which you are trying to apply it. If I just give style, which whether it is color or text size, or whether it is text color, or whether it's a font weight, a font size, for what you're going to apply.
It's necessary to verify the property to the
Yes.
style pro. Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, but
Because
it's
if
not
you
same
just
as
directly give, see now, if I just give style, it will not understand to which property of the style I need to apply this.
okay, ma'am.
So I need to give, say for example, if I just give color, so what exactly happens? It will apply for that. Okay, then what exactly you have? For example, back color. Okay. Background color or back color it is? Back
Ma'am,
color. only.
background color, background color, background color.
Background color. Correct?
Background dash color.
Background hyphen color.
Hyphen color. Understood why we are giving it?
Yes, ma'am.
So now if I don't give this background color, then style to which it should apply. That is the reason we are just specifying to which property of the style you are going to apply it.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
now I hope you understood now.
Ma'am.
Okay. So this is where you can implement the style binding. Okay, so now I want a conditional style binding. So you know what is the use of ternary operator?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we will try to implement one ternary operator here. So I will just take this required only I'll just try to use this required itself. So now here, what I'll do is, I will just tell that I will try to implement for H2